Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach lesson first, self-discipline. You know student, discipline. Discipline and your behavior is a very important part of our life. If any person becomes success in their life, it means they can follow the discipline. Literally, self-discipline means code of conduct. It means living with self-control, obedience, cooperation and orderliness. Student, self-discipline is the act of being disciplined or the power to control one's own feelings, desire, especially with the intention of improving ourselves. Student, what is the importance of self-discipline? Self-discipline helps us to acquire both academic and material success in life. A self-disciplined person does not care for instant gratification and pleasure. Practice patience is a part of his nature. A person with such a strong foundation advances more rapidly. Self-discipline is a power that helps you to stick to your decisions and follow them. Student, without changing your mind. Similarly, a self-disciplined child follows a set of rules even in the absence of his parent or caretakers. Student, because sometimes when our parent is not at our home. So, if you are a self-disciplined person, means become your duty, you follow the rules, you follow the regulation, you follow the instruction given by your parents. He will not tempt for things which are be avoided. It also gives us the power and inner strength to overcome any kind of addiction or lethargy. It is a very important skill in everyone's life. It is the root of discipline. This is the discipline. Research is done by the physiologists so that children with high discipline are punctual and devoted more time toward their studies. So students, they spend less time in watching television and have less behavioral problems. Although many people are aware of its importance, but very few do something to develop and strengthen it. Student, self-discipline is the sense of dignity that grows with the ability to say no to oneself. Self-discipline can be achieved when you do things on your own. Students, mother does everything for you, but certain things that you can do yourself. You can make your own bed or keep your clothes, books or shoes in their right places. Because student, you know, after the school, when we reach at the house, we come through our shoes, clothes, bag, anywhere. Okay, so please keep on their particular place. Okay, this is the symptoms of self-disciplined person. You are self-disciplined when you do your work on your own without anybody's reminder. What is your work? Do the study. So, without any person, no need to reminder, you do your work. It means you are a self-disciplined person. Okay. So, when you do your work on your own without anybody's reminder, for example, when you do your homework without being reminded by your mother, you show self-discipline. The strength of self-discipline enables you not to give up even in bad time. Self-discipline grants its possessor self-control, power to resist temptation and distension that come in his way of attaining a goal. A self-disciplined person is not afraid of failures. Okay, student. So we have to face many problems and challenges on the path of success. So in order to overcome these hurdles, we have to act with prevents and patience, and for this we require self-discipline. Student, self-discipline is not difficult to attain. So as to attain self-discipline, we need to follow these rules. What is the rules? Student, first, set up a goal for yourself. Means what is your aim in your life? What is the goal of your life? After that, plan your work to achieve your goal. Suppose that if you want to become a doctor, so please start the preparation like this. Okay. Do what you say, keep your words, otherwise nobody will believe you. Set an example for others. Don't forget. Suppose that if you give the promise to any person, please don't forget. Otherwise no any person believe on you. Do what you say, keep your words, otherwise nobody will believe on you. Set an example for others. Listen to people and take a collective decision. Don't take only your own decision. Take the decision of the other person. Okay, for example, while doing a group assignment, do not quarrel. Is the one example of self-discipline. One of the most important character of self-discipline is punctuality. For this, you have to wake up early in the morning and complete your work on time. Go for a morning walk, do exercise, brush your teeth, dress up, eat breakfast. These things. Students nowadays follow such things in your daily life. Morning, woke up, go to the morning walk, take some breakfast, and after that start to do your work. Student, make a timetable and follow it strictly. This will save your time. For example, fix a time for certain work and try your best to finish that work within the fixed time. It doesn't suppose that you solve the math, then only the math you 3-4 hours. No. One day, 1 hour math, 1 hour physics, 1 hour chemistry, like this you become solve it. Have good habits, always keep yourself clean and tidy. You will be healthy and cheerful too. Student, you know what is the benefits of self-discipline? Self-discipline benefit you in the following ways. What? A self-disciplined person is a confident person. Their competence are so much high. The knowledge and skill of self-disciplined person increase day by day. Self-discipline teaches us punctuality, which help us to conserve our energy and save our time. It makes our willpower strong. You do what you should do. You do not do what you should not do. This is the importance of benefits of self-discipline. In critical situation, it enables us to preserve our virtue. Self-discipline also help you to fulfill promise that you have made to other and also to yourself. It gives you power. You go for swimming instead of watching TV. If you want, then do the swimming pool. Okay, go in the swimming pool. It leads to happiness and freedom. Student, the progress and prosperity of a nation depend upon the discipline of its citizen. If their person become disciplined, student nowadays see COVID-19, it becomes spread in the very broad areas. So if you don't follow the rules, if you wear the mask, if you follow the social distancing, if you sanitize your hand, then we become preserve our life, become safe our life. But tell anyone become follow the rules, and the result they see many people become die per day. So student, you follow the discipline. Okay. Student in a school and college, clerk in the office and soldiers in the army all need to follow certain rules. So student, it is very important. Follow the rules, follow the discipline. Then you become make a good country.